Hello, in this video we're going to understand why does a paper stops the alpha radiation, however the beta and gamma radiations are not affected by this paper. So let's check. Regarding the americium-241, which represents the alpha particle is heavy, relatively slow-moving particle with a charge of +2 electronic charge. It interacts strongly with matter, so after passing through just a few centimeters of air, it loses its energy. However, the beta particle is much lighter particle than the alpha particle and it travels much faster. Since it spends just a short time in the vicinity of each air molecule and has a charge of only -1 electronic charge, it causes less intense ionization than the alpha particle, so it can penetrate this paper and it's slightly affected by it. However, regarding the gamma particles, by using a cobalt-60 source, which is known to be a gamma particle source, as it's noticed that the gamma ray photon interacts weakly with matter because it's uncharged, and therefore it's difficult to stop. So regardless how the thickness of this paper is, these gamma rays are not affected by the paper and they are not absorbed by it. That's all. Thanks for watching.